In this economy, who wouldn't want to make thousands of dollars by doing something easy and interesting? If you are watching this video, you must already know that YouTube is a great place to make money. YouTuber influencers like PewDiePie, Jeffree Star, Mr. Beast, Nikki Tutorials, and Dude Perfect rake in seven-figure incomes every year. Seems nice, right? Don't worry, if you also want to reach that seven-figure income every year through YouTube, I've got you. In this video, I'll share some of the best and easy strategies with you that the top YouTubers use to make money on YouTube. I also have a bonus tip for you at the end, so stay tuned. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Build a blog to complement YouTube. YouTube is great for building your brand, interacting with fans, driving lots of conversions, and increasing your business revenue. As the second largest search engine, YouTube offers many opportunities to get your brand in front of your ideal audience and grow your audience in other places. Blogs can also display ads. There are many alternatives to AdSense, and affiliate links from popular affiliate programs usually have higher click-through rates. The first step is to start a blog under the same branding you've already created on YouTube. The next step is to share the content you've already created with your YouTube channel. You can do it by mentioning blog posts in the description of your videos. The key to making more money with your blog is to get visitors and sign them up for your email list. Just use your blog to offer something of value to your readers in exchange for their emails, like a downloadable PDF of a checklist, ebook, or guide. Don't be afraid to send out an email for every blog post or YouTube video you create. Just make sure you don't overwhelm your audience with emails and push them to unsubscribe. Number 2. Create a faceless YouTube channel. One of the ways to make money online from YouTube views is to make a faceless YouTube channel. It's an exciting business model. You simply create a channel full of videos around a specific topic or theme and make passive YouTube income from ad views. Do complete keyword research and find a topic. Then research to find copyright-free footage and edit it to make content. Make a script and do the voiceover, post the video and optimize the videos for SEO. And voila, you're done. Number 3. Join the YouTube Partner Program. You can join the YouTube Partner Program to earn money and earn ad revenue through video ads that show before, during, or after your videos. You consent to run YouTube ads on your videos and get to choose what type of ad placements you're comfortable with, and Google does the rest of the work for you. There are some eligibility requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program, like having at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months and having over 1,000 subscribers. Number 4. Create and sell a course. Another way to earn money with your YouTube channel is to create and sell a digital course. If you have any kind of knowledge that can offer great value to your followers, they will gladly buy your course. You can teach various topics like fitness, health, personal development, management, and curriculum courses. Remember to create high-quality, practical, and unique content that offers value to your viewers. Add your course in your video descriptions with a solid call to action, so your viewers purchase the course. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant idea if you have a good bond with your followers, because companies find it more profitable to pay YouTube channels that already have a solid fan base to promote their products. It is a great way to boost your earning if you've already built a large following, but even with a smaller number of followers and high-quality videos, you can make good money. Just sign up with companies or affiliate programs in your niche to get affiliate links for products, and then recommend these products on your channel and get paid a commission for every sale. Number 6. Review digital products and softwares. Affiliate marketing isn't limited to physical products. You can use it to earn money with digital products too. You can do software or digital product reviews on your channel for companies in your niche and earn money from brands seeking exposure and sales. This way you get paid, your viewers get helpful information, and the brand gets more exposure. Just review honestly to not tarnish the trust you've built with your audience. 7. Work with sponsorships. As your audience and viewership grow, brands will approach you to create videos on their behalf with product placements. Most brands pay well for quality videos that help them achieve their business objectives. The trick is to use your channel to showcase your expertise to potential contractors. You advertise yourself to be hired for paid opportunities to create videos for brands and create channel memberships. The amount you charge varies, and it depends on the quality of your videos and recognition from the target audience. Remember, you need to be transparent while creating sponsored content, and make sure you adhere to Google's ad policies. Before I tell you about method number 8, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for amazing content on making money. 8. Sell services. Selling services to your followers is another effective way to get your channel some paid opportunities. This type of monetization can be slow in the beginning, but it can be very lucrative once you hit critical mass. Simply provide a service for someone, and they'll pay you for your work. You just need to begin uploading video content related to your brand and use a compelling call to action to get viewers to try out your services. Number 9. Sell products with live streams. Another way to make money from YouTube is with YouTube live streams. You just have to sell products to a live streaming audience. The key to selling products with live streams successfully is to develop a strong sense of trust among your audience. You can maximize earnings by selling products on YouTube live streams by offering exclusive products, having these streams consistently, and using limited-time promo codes. Number 10. Sell merch to your subscribers. One of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube is to sell your merchandise. YouTube has a section called a merchandise shelf, which is another revenue stream for YouTubers. You must have a large enough following before you can expect to make any real money with merch, but you can start small and gradually build up. If you would like to keep more of the revenue you generate to yourself by selling the merch without the restrictions that the merchandise shelf has, consider using Selfie instead. Number 11. Use live streams and Super Chat. Super Chat and Super Stickers are great ways to make money with YouTube. Super Chat makes your audience's comments more visible. Depending on how much viewers pay, they are highlighted and pinned in the live chat stream for a specific time. Your subscribers can donate in Super Chat on live streams or pay a monthly fee and become members of your channel. This method is facilitated through YouTube's partner program, and you must be over 18 years of age, with at least 30,000 subscribers to sell channel memberships to your audience. Number 12. License viral content to the media. Another way you can make money on YouTube is to license viral video content to the media. It doesn't only have to be viral videos online that you share with them, you can also share timely footage that they deem newsworthy. If you have any viral video content that media outlets might be interested in, make sure they are easy to find by including a business email in a prominent place on your channel profile and your description sections. 13. Use Patreon with YouTube. As a content creator, you can use Patreon to make more money with your YouTube videos and boost your YouTube earnings. You can enable monetization of your work by creating a Patreon account and releasing exclusive YouTube content. On Patreon, you can set your prices and decide how you want to charge for your content. The key to success on Patreon is to keep your audience motivated. Make sure to post exclusive content on Patreon and regularly ask for input to keep your subscribers engaged. And as always, I have a bonus tip for you. How can you maximize earnings with YouTube ad revenue? Manually insert ads in your video where it's possible. Do this when you have a cliffhanger, meaning you start a sentence and then play the ad in the middle of the sentence because the user wants to hear the rest of it. This will keep your users engaged enough to finish the ad instead of clicking off the video. That's all for today, guys. All you need to do now is to take action and start building your audience to get to that 7-figure income. Are there any other YouTube monetization strategies that you know about? Let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos on how to make money. Until next time.